Hi guys, welcome to Kale's kitchen. Today we are going to make the beetroot paratha. For that I have took the 2 whole wheats grated, and then I have added 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, or you can add as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 3 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of yogurt. You can add Greek yogurt or as per your choice. After adding everything, mix well. Use water as needed to make a soft dough. Here you can see my dough is ready. Cover the dough and rest it for 30 minutes. I have put one skillet on the gas. Here is my dough. I have a flat board and rolling pin. Make a small ball of the dough. Press that ball with your hands. Dust it with a little bit of whole wheat flour. Start rolling that ball into a circular paratha. I'm not using any oil or ghee to roll that ball out. Once that paratha is ready, check the skillet if it is hot or not. You can see my paratha rolling is ready. Once the skillet is medium hot, add the paratha onto the skillet and roast it. Turn around. Add little bit of oil on both the sides and cook well. Once paratha is ready, take them out from the skillet. My parathas are ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe, like and comment.